G'day, Max there again, back in the shop. Just a short one. It's a quick mini tip to do with chuck keys. So you see your standard chuck key, it's flat along the top. And what I do with them, this is a tip that's been handed down to me through previous generation by my father. See the ends are kicked up at an angle. So what that allows you to do, when you put this in the chuck, when you're doing your chuck up, see in the palm of your hand, chuck key doesn't go anywhere, it stays steady and fixed. I know some people, you have the habit of doing that and the chuck key flicks out, falls on the floor, but that's a nice, smooth, proper action. As compared to the standard chuck key, put that back in, and you're twisting it, it doesn't stay in one spot in your palm, you're always fighting where it's going to locate, which brings you back to everybody doing the one finger thing again, which half the time the chuck key falls out. If it doesn't fall on the floor, it'll fall on the bed of your lathe. So yeah, just to bend that ends up a bit, just for that smooth action. That's a pretty useful piece of useless information, so I thought I'd just pass it on. Alright, see ya.